renting this 20 square meter condo, and my goal for this place is to transform it into something that fits my lifestyle, but at the same time, I'll be doing it on a budget. And right now, I am still a student, but at the same time, I am a social media content creator, which is why I felt the need to, invest on my own space. Yun yung isa sa talaga sa mga na-bring up ko sa parents ko, which is why pinayagan din nila ako mag-move in dito. And I've been staying here for like a year now, and diba yung main purpose or goal ko is to have my own space and have like this sense of control with my stuff. But I felt like na parang the longer that I am staying here, the more that I am accumulating some stuff, and it's getting out of control already. Which is why I feel like this is such a practical decision for me, because number one, this is my workplace as a student and also as a YouTuber, itong ginagawa ko. But at the same time, my environment affects my overall performance, my mental health, and all of that. And of course, I'll be doing this on a budget because I've been financially independent from my parents, like even before I moved in here, like for more than a year now. And feeling ko, I really have to, be wise on spending my money. And for my mood board, I don't really know the specific name for the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. But one thing's for sure, it screams me. And if you guys know me, I'm like the most indecisive person that you'll ever meet. So I feel like para maging practical ako sa decisions ko when it comes to my furniture and other decor, talagang pinag-isipan ko siya. And I feel like ito pa rin yung design na magugustuhan ko in the next coming years. Now, for my color palette, as much as possible, I want everything to be light, easy on the eyes, no bright colors, more on pastels and nudes and whites. And for the design, I would also incorporate some retro and Y2K vibe pieces because I feel like those are the details that would make the room more Ashley. And I feel like the color palette and the decor themselves combined would really scream me and my personality. By the way, this unit was so bare when I got it. Like, wala siyang cabinets at all. And right now, the kitchen counter is black and I'm not gonna do anything about it anymore. But I'm gonna repaint the cabinets to white. And I want to transform it into a kind of retro kitchen. And I'm gonna try my best because I feel like binabroadcast ko yung failures ko ngayon if hindi ko siya magawa. But, ayun. Now, what I did with this condo, and I will continue to do, is really unconventional because usually the bed area is on the window side, like on this partition area. Pero kasi ang ginawa ko, since yung content ko mostly fashion related, ginawa ko siyang closet. And yung area na to, dito ko usually nagtitake ng photos kasi maganda yung lighting. And it's nice to have like this partition between my work area and also my resting area. And for my bedroom area, I want to add more storage space. So ganito yung bed na ipapadesign ko, and also magpapagawa na lang ako ng sliding cabinet para hindi masyado masikip. And for my bathroom, I'm still gonna fix it, but I'm not gonna do anything that much because I feel like hindi na ganun ka-practical kasi bawal rin palitan yung mga tiles and all. And hindi naman ganun kalaking renovation yung mangyayari dito. Gusto lang talagang gawan ng series siya kasi I feel like I also want to source some items na, kung pagdating sa clothes, ganun ako na I want to, source items that are affordable but good in quality. I also want to do that when it comes to room decor and also furniture. So don't worry, I will always let you guys know kung saan ko nakukuha yung mga stuff so that somehow this series will also be helpful for you. So I hope you guys are excited as I am for this journey. I know it's not gonna be a big renovation, but aside from fashion, ito talaga yung mga hilig kong gawin, like interior design. So as what I've said a while ago, I'm like the most indecisive person that you'll ever meet. So here's me selling some of my furniture and buying a whole lot more.
Ladies and gentlemen, Maxwell Landry and the Ceramics.
Carrying those Garcia. Now it's time for me to wrap this up. It's like a reclining chair. Yeah. By the way, I bought an accent chair na. That's why I'm selling all my stuff. say thank you to everyone who purchased din sa carousel account ko. Because I didn't really imagine na magsasold out siya kasi akala ko hindi kayo interested. Pero ayun. So right now, I'm printing these thank you cards para masulutan thank you cards kasi most of the people who bought, subscribers sila. So I'm gonna leave a little note for them. So here's a quick tour of what the condo looks like before the makeover and after getting rid of some of my furniture. My closet area looks like a storage area and I no longer have storage, so I just organized them through balikbayan boxes for the meantime. And as you guys can see, these boxes are filled with clothes and mukha na akong nag-uukay-ukay dito. And I no longer have a bed frame, and this is what my kitchen looks like right now. So today we are going to SM Mega Mall and bibili ako ng mga random room stuff kasi mostly yung mga furniture ko sa online ko bibilin. But right now, magti-take out na kami saglit sa Taco Bell because nagugutom na kami, hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast and lunch. So basically, this is brunch already. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys my OOTD kanina nung nasa condo pa tayo. But my sweatpants and my bralette over here are from Shopee. And then my platforms are from Hue Manila. And then yung mask ko for today is, I forgot the name, but I'll put it here. Ayan, siya yung nag-record for me. Siya yung kasama ko. I like this angle. You should take photos. Okay. By the way, I'm not wearing any makeup today except this one. This is the Happy Skin glossy tint. And I like it because para lang siyang lip balm.
Since the day that I bid you adieu, feels like I've walked a mile in your shoes. I'm picking up a freckle or two from you.
Sobrang daming beetles dito for only half the price. I'm gonna get this and the Let It Be album. And they only cost for like 900 pesos. By the way guys, ang ganda ng mga acrylic organizers nila dito kasi it's clear. I mean, kasi may mga acrylic organizers na ang daming design. And mas affordable dito kasi sa SM kasi 199 lang to. Yung sa SM parang 349 ata isa or 400. So, in my vanity, ito rin yung mga ginagamit kong acrylic organizers. And I'm super happy na meron na dito kasi last time out of stock. So, ayan. By the way, this is for 199, 149. But ito, 149 to. Kaya ngayon, mag-hoard tayo. Organizers. So, if you're looking for organizers, Ace Hardware, SM Mega Mall.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you.
This one's nice for your vanity table kasi may added storage here. Parang pwede mo lalagyan na ng mga blower, ganon. And this one is for 2,199. Although, the thing is, ayoko yung color niya. Gusto ko sana na ganitong color.
Send me, I know you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, darling, you.
Ashley, parang nakapansulo. There's my kuya. Okay na yan? Yun na yan?
Let's go.
It's a new day and I'll be showing you guys my haul from the online shops na nagpadala sa akin ng room decor. But before that, I'll be showing you yung mga pinadala sa akin ni Fujifilm Instax. So, ito yung una. This is the Instax Mini 11. And super saya ko kasi it comes in one of my favorite colors, which is lilac. Oh my gosh, it's so nice! Ang ganda ng pagka-pastel niya. Tada! So nice. And I also got it in the color Ice White. And these are all the films that they sent me. Thank you so much to my Fujifilm Instax fam. I remember nung wala pa akong Instax and pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng Instax na camera noon. And I'm super happy whenever I get to work with them because it's like a dream come true and ang bait rin ng team nila. So, yeah. Okay, so here are all the room decor that I got from online shops. First is this one. This is a shell lamp that I got from Yokiyo Life. It's so cute, you guys, kasi pwede mo lagay yung accessories mo, or you could just use it as a lamp. This vase naman, it's from Events by Maynard, and super sakto siya sa theme na I'm trying to go for my room. And it's like this rounded na vase lang, and it came with these flower arrangement. And then I also got these 3 vases from Matahum Home, and what I love about their shop is that pag nag-purchase ka sa kanila, parang 2-in-1 yung makukuha mo because their packaging is so nice. You could recycle it. I would personally recycle it and use it as storage. And super classy lang ng mga pieces nila. Like, you can put flowers in here. Also got some acrylic room decor pieces. And ito yung parang maglalagay ka ng favorite song mo and then you just have to scan it sa Spotify tas magpi-play siya. Like, for example, this one. Wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, you open your Spotify account and then parang may camera tas isa-scan mo lang siya. And then I also got the same thing from another online shop pero iba lang kanta. Similar keychains and same lang, pwede nyo sila i-scan sa Spotify. So, ayun. Thank you so much! It's 2 a.m. No. It's 3 a.m. and it's online shopping time. Honestly, i-reshoot ko na lang to kasi na-delete ko yung clips nung nag-online shopping ako. But I'll do it all over again para may reference kayo kung saan ko kinukuha yung iba kong furniture. I'm gonna buy this one for my bedside table, this one, and also this one for my kitchen because for some reason, parang sinusundan ako ng oven na to kung saan man ako pumunta. Like sa Facebook, sa Instagram, nakikita ko yung ads niya. So I think it's a sign that I should buy it. And I found something on Shopee na on sale. Kasi usually nasa 3K siya, ganun. Pero dito nasa 1999. 1999. Ay, ewan ko, 3 a.m. na. And dahil reshoot na to, maghahanap ulit tayo ng accent chair. So, kunyari wala pa tayo accent chair. Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako bumili. So, ito yung mga pinagpilian kong colors. The blue one, the gray one, and the pink one. Ano kayang pwedeng kunin? Feeling ko hindi pink yung kukunin ko. Feeling ko lang naman. Hala, out of stock na. Ang bilis. Buti na lang talaga kumuha ako. As in, the day that I posted this one, doon na talaga ako agad nag-order kasi I had a feeling na ma-out of stock siya agad. And then for the rest, magpapagawa na lang ako sa FB Marketplace because halos close lahat talaga ng mga stores ngayon and gusto ko talaga personalize yung mga sizes na mga papagawa ko. Like for example, the mirror, the bed, the sliding cabinet, and also the study table / vanity table na gusto ko. And I know it's kind of risky because I myself got scammed na sa FB Marketplace. So you really have to be careful. Kaya if ever okay yung transaction ko dun sa mga papagawan ko, i-share ko sa inyo yung contact details nila. Pero kasi yung mga kakilala namin na gumagawa, wala sila, nasa province. So, na talaga yung last resort ko. And also, I'll be doing a Shopee and Lazada haul and it would consist of room decor and also yung mga kitchen supplies and everything else. Don't worry, I'll also share them to you guys. So, yes! Good night! I'll go with you. So, it's already 9:08 p.m. and I'm just gonna unbox the furniture that arrived a while ago. Ito yung accent chair ko. And actually, kanina ko pa dapat ito i-unbox, pero pinatuyo na lang muna namin yung alcohol. Wow, it feels like Christmas right now. But anyway, I'm just gonna unbox this one first. I'm pretty sure this is my bedside table lamp. Ito, I'm super happy with this purchase kasi sobrang tagal ko na inaay yung ganitong type of light. But for some reason, ang hirap niya hanapin dito sa PH. Like, nung time na naghahanap ako, puro out of stock, gano'n. Tapos parang sa Shopee pa, which is kind of risky. Both are from Furniture Source Philippines. Anyway, the style of the lamp na gusto ko talaga is yung frosted. I don't know, feeling ko parang very Nordic yung style niya, if gano'n. Wow! Wow! It's nice! Looks so elegant. May accent chair, and grabe guys, siguro alam niyo naman na this is such an impulsive purchase of mine because the moment I saw this, like, ito talagang hinahanap ko, pero I was hoping na it was in color beige, pero kasi pink lang yung available na gusto ko. But it's totally fine for me. Like, I think it's gonna be a better decision kasi puro na ako beige and yung mga neutral colors. And this would be such a nice pop of color sa room ko. So, feeling ko hindi ako magsisisi. I just hope na yung pagka-pink niya is exactly what it looks like dun sa website. So, let's see! I'm super excited! Ay, grabe, sobrang impulsive talaga nito. Like, wala siyang measurements dun sa website. As in, binili ko lang siya, sis. As in, I'm gonna buy that. Ganun. And super hirap i-reach nung customer service nila. So, ayun po. Yun lang yung siguro downside pag nag-order kayo sa kanila. Okay. I don't know what to feel about it. I have to assemble it. So, here's the manual. Ta-da! Give me all your love and don't stop. Yung pagka-wide niya, comfy siya.
Hurry so you can actually use it.
Yeah, I will. I'm using it. Ang saya ko guys kasi usually nasa higaan lang ako nag-i-edit. Kasi pag sa table ako, sumasakit yung likod ko. I have scolio kasi. So basically, this is me assembling the accent chair that you already saw. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on my next one. Listen to my girl, ride, ride, ride,